Hello. I cannot give that name out. My friend is having trouble with this. I'm not going to help him out. But this is how to open up another page on the computer. So what you want to do, as you can see, there it is. There, I'm already on Facebook. But what you want to do, friend, you're going to see this right here. There's your first page, right, as you can see. There's your search bar. Click on it. Look at all the different varieties. Yeah, I'm gonna go to YouTube, for example. See? And click. Back. Forth. Back. Forth. See? But I don't want to be on this one. Now you go. Do not go on Facebook and YouTube at the same. Not go on Facebook and watch YouTube. Why? I said why. He said, why what? Why not? Okay. And yes, I do have a Facebook. So, yeah. So, okay, there you go, Stephen. My friend's name. And check out my YouTube account, Stephen, which I have on here. This is from it. And goodbye.